don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Peppa Pig. Fun at the fair. Today, Peppa and her family are at the fair. Snort, Slady, Slady, giggles George.
George wants to go on the big slide,
says Daddy Pig. Daddy Pig and George head off to the slide, while Mummy Pig and Peppa explore the games. Come one, come all, shouts Miss Rabbit. Hook a duck and win a giant teddy. I'll try to win one for you, Peppa, says Mummy Pig, but I don't think it will be easy. It's impossible, laughs Miss Rabbit. We'll see about that, says Mummy Pig. Sploosh! Mummy Pig has hooked a duck. That's amazing, cries Miss Rabbit. Here's your giant teddy. Wouldn't you like a little teddy instead, Peppa? asks Mummy Pig. No way, Peppa giggles happily. George and Daddy Pig are at the big slide.
It's a bit high, George. Are you sure you want to slide down it?
asks Daddy Pig. George giggles and runs up the stairs to the top. But when he looks down, he feels scared and starts to cry.
Don't worry, George. I'll come up with you,
says Daddy Pig. Hee-hee-wee! cries George, sliding all the way down. Now George is having too much fun to be scared.
It is high up here,
says Daddy Pig nervously. Daddy Pig is more scared than George. Oops! Daddy Pig slips down the slide. Peppa and Mummy Pig are at the Hit the Target stall. You can do that easily, Mummy, says Peppa.
Ho ho, you won't win,
Mr. Labrador laughs.
No one is good enough to hit the yellow circle.
Mummy Pig smiles, picks up the bow and arrow, and aims. Whoosh! The arrow hits the target right in the middle. Mummy Pig wins again.
Unbelievable,
cries Mr. Labrador.
Here's your teddy.
Hooray! cheers Peppa. Now she has 2 giant teddies. Meanwhile, Daddy Pig and George are riding the Ferris wheel. George loves it, but Daddy Pig is a little bit scared.
This really is high,
says Daddy Pig as the Ferris wheel goes round and round. Hee hee, snort, giggles George. After the Ferris wheel, Daddy Pig and George find Peppa and Mummy Pig at the strength tester.
Hit this button with a hammer,
says Mr. Bull.
If the bell rings, you win a prize. I'll try it,
says Daddy Pig.
Stand back.
I think you're a bit wobbly from the Ferris wheel, says Mummy Pig.
Ho ho,
laughs Mr. Bull.
Daddy Pig is looking a bit shaky.
Mummy Pig does not like it when someone laughs at Daddy Pig. Give me that hammer. Whack! Mummy Pig hits the button as hard as she can. The bell rings loudly. Ding, ding, ding. Everyone is very impressed. Mummy Pig won all the giant teddies at the fair. Hooray! cheers Peppa, and she gives all of her friends 1 giant teddy bear each. Hooray! Everyone cheers. We love the fair! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Peppa Pig stories, check out my Peppa Pig playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.